If you are new on YouTube and doesn't have any experience of graphic designing, but you want to learn how to design good quality YouTube thumbnails on computer, so this video is for you. In this video, I will teach you how to design good quality YouTube thumbnails on Microsoft PowerPoint. In the end, I will share some tips to design best YouTube thumbnails for your upcoming videos that I personally follow. So first of all, let me launch Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So here you will interact with this interface initially when you will start the software. Basically it is called slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first of all, it is not a standard size of YouTube thumbnails. We have to convert it into the standard size of YouTube thumbnail. So go to design, page setup, and from here choose the screen ratio of 16:9. It is the standard YouTube thumbnail size. Then click OK. Here you can see the standard YouTube thumbnail size. Initially you will get these two text boxes automatically. If you want to use it, then leave it, and if you don't want to use it, then delete it. So here I am not interested to use these boxes. Select both the box by pressing Ctrl A and delete it. Now here you will find some pre-designed slides in this themes tab. So if you want to use any one of them, you can simply select, and if you want to design your own, then leave it blank. So here first of all I am choosing black background styles. So I will select this style 12, and now I will import some images that I have already downloaded. To import it, go to insert menu and click pictures and choose the path where you have downloaded it. So I have downloaded it on desktop, so I am choosing desktop, and these are two images. Select both the images by pressing Ctrl and click them from the mouse, and then click on insert. Here you will get your both images inserted. It is not in the size that I wish to resize it. Select any one node of the image, just drag it to resize these images. I want to make it some smaller. Yes, now it is good. Leave it, and now I'm going to import some shape. To import shapes, go to insert menu, choose shapes. Here I want to insert a rectangular shape. Choose rectangular, and I want to draw the rectangle from this corner. So choose the corner and just drag it. So if you want to draw a square, just you have to press shift key and it will automatically draw the square. Drag it to the size which you want to, and once you are okay with the size, leave the button of the mouse. And here I'm gonna change some appearance of this shape. So to change the appearance of the shape, make sure the object which you want to edit must be selected. So as you can see here, I want to edit this object, so first of all I have to select it, then go to format and shape styles ribbon. You will get all the options. So here I want to change the shape color to white and want to remove these outlines which you are seeing here. So to go to shape outline settings and click on no outline. So now I am happy, and I want to drag this image to this shape and in the center. So here you can see that this image is not appearing here just because it is below the layer of this shape. To bring it up, just right click on it and click on bring to front. oops, sorry, it has got bring to front. I have to send to back, so click on send to back now. So now I want to center this image to this shape. To do this, what you have to do, simply press and hold the shift key and select both the shapes respectively, then go to format option, choose the alignment, press first of all click align center and then click align middle. It will middle your image to this shape. Now I am happy with this, and now I want to apply some effect to this image. So first of all I have to select it, and a menu tab will automatically activated, which is format. So choose picture effect, and here I want to apply some preset effect to this picture, and I want to apply preset 5 so that it looks some popping up image. Now it looks nice. Now I want to insert some text to this thumbnail. So to insert the text on any slide, what you have to do, go to insert option and now select text box. So if you want to draw a certain size text, you have to just drag this box, and if you want to type random size text, what you have to do, just simply go to text box and just click it. So here I want to type how to design thumbnail on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now I am happy with this. And now what I want to next is to apply some font size, font effect and font face to this text. So to apply the effect to the text, make sure your text must be selected. Any object on this slide you want to apply any effects and anything which you want, make sure it is selected first of all. Now I want to change the font to impact. Here it is. Now it looks good. I want to change the size to 32. Now it looks nice. And now I want to change the color of this text. So go to format option and choose text fill. Here I want to color it to red. If you want to apply the single color to entire text, you just have to select entire text, and if you want to apply the color to certain text, you have to select those selected text. So here I want to apply some specific colors to the text. So here I am selecting text YouTube, and now I am applying the red color and some text effect to it. Wow, it looks like some metallic kind of things. Now I'm happy with this text effect, so I'm just aligning or adjusting it by using the arrow keys on keyboard. And now I want to center it to this slide. To go to align and just click align middle, it will automatically align it to the middle according to the height of this slide. Now I'm happy with all the objects. Now I want to apply the border effect to this slide. So what you have to do, again go to insert option and insert again a rectangle. So select this node and drag it to the another node. Go to format, shape style ribbon, choose shape fill to no fill. To apply the transparency and want to change the outline color of this shape to red, simply go to shape outline and choose the color which you want to apply. So here I want to apply the red color. Now I want to change the weight of the border. So what you have to do, go to shape outline and choose weight. So here I am applying the 4.5 pt weight to this border. Now I am happy with this design. So what the next is to export it as an image. So if you will save it by just pressing Ctrl plus S, this software will shape in the form of presentation slide. As you can see here, it is named this work as presentation. It is not in the format of image, so you have to export it in the form of image. So to export it to the image format, what you have to do, go to this button and choose save as option and go other formats. So here you have to name to your work. Here I want to save it as thumbnail. I named it, and here in this option save as types you have to choose JPEG. So it is the standard image extension. So and now just choose the path where you want to save it. Here I want to save it on desktop and then click save. Here I want to export just current slide in the image, so click on current slides only, and let's check how it look like. So here is the thumbnail which I have designed. Now I'm just opening it. Wow, it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty nice. So that's how you can also design your thumbnails on Microsoft PowerPoint. So here I want to suggest you, just don't follow what I have taught you. The more you will work on this software or your objects and text, the more fine thumbnails you can create it, because designing is dependent on your creativity. Means the more creative you can think, the more creative you can produce. So as I have promised at the beginning of the video that I will share some tips to design best quality YouTube thumbnail. So the tip number one is, when you are designing your thumbnail, make sure your thumbnail represent to the audience or viewers so that they can get the idea what your video is all about. And the tip number two is, your thumbnail must be clean so that your viewers can get the idea about the content, what you want to show them and what you have covered in your certain video. Okay, now moving to the third and last tip, which is, your thumbnail must be impactful to make the mindset of the viewers or the audience that this video could help them in solving their problems when they visit to your channel or your video on the news feed of YouTube. So here are the top 3 tips I have shared which I personally follow. I hope this video was helpful for you and you have learned something meaningful with my this video. If you have any queries regarding this video, feel free to drop your comments in the comment section, or you can catch up on our social media. We will drop all the links of our social media handles in the description section. So you can also put your queries through direct messaging. We will respond to you as soon as it is possible for us. Till then, if you have not subscribed our channel, then do subscribe to don't miss upcoming updates on our channel.